Baby girl. Hey. Do you have the hiccups again? Yeah. You're so cute. You're so cute. Oh, look at that face. Oh. Oh, oh. Oh no. She says, Mom, what do I do about these? What is it? Oh. Oh. Oh no. Oh no. Hi. Poor baby. Oh. Oh. Are you gonna cry? Oh. What's wrong? I know. I know. Okay.